Everyone talks about oxidative stress and the health benefits of NAD plus and antioxidants, right? But it's really something called reductive stress that is the real hidden killer here. Let me explain. Reductive stress basically means too many electrons, which means you have too much of something called NADH in the body. In this case, relative to that NAD plus everybody talks about. In reductive stress, your mitochondrial conveyor belt is backed up, and electrons leak out and form reactive oxygen species, also known as oxidative stress. So paradoxically, it's reductive stress that causes oxidative stress. It's a step or two upstream from that oxidative stress you always hear people talk about. So why is everyone talking about more downstream effects instead of what's actually is the problem? At BioSpark Health, we look to address health problems at their root. So what causes reductive stress then? That's the question you need to answer. For one, it's excessive fat oxidation, especially from polyunsaturated fats. This causes that NADH to accumulate, which pushes the electron backwards through complex 1 of the electron transport chain. It's something that's actually called reverse electron transport in the literature. And this is the single biggest source of mitochondrial superoxide, one of the most potent and destructive oxidative compounds in the body. This happens in cancer cells, for instance, which have high levels of reductive stress. In this scenario, they basically depend on fat oxidation because their mitochondria are broken. Okay, so what's the real solution here? Shift to glucose oxidation instead. Why? Because glucose burns clean. It produces way more ATP, more CO2, and way less reductive stress than fat does. So cut the seed oils, eat plenty of easily digestible carbs, and do things that support glucose oxidation. Do these things and your mitochondria will finally be able to breathe again.